Hey guys, please subscribe because my friends are in video and it's ridiculous. So please clap your hands, get subscribed, and notifications. See the next video since it's ridiculous. Let's call armless boy.
You know Jake Paul, bro? Well, you're gonna know him now. Jake Paul.
Will you just dance, little boy?
Okay. Hey, I got this nice Corvette and this nice fidget. I got a friend that's mine.
Pigeon?
Pigeon.
You mean pigeon?
Pigeon. I got this nice motorcycle like my model.
It's not yours, it's mine. Everything that you're saying is mine. Everything he's saying is mine. Talk about your own stuff.
He got his own tent. That's his beetle.
Yeah, that's mine. Alright.
He got the turtle that's only doing.
Yeah, I do, baby. Wow, you sound a real puff.
He's so stupid, I could be smarter than him. He's got a fidget.
Hey, can you stop? I told you not to mess up my bread.
Okay.
Bye, girl.